Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited today. This is a fun video. It's a really sneak peek of what I plan on working on for the month of June for my patrons. So my mail club, I'm getting it up and going again. I had taken a few months off just to take a little break and take a rest, and I'm excited to get it going again. And I'll have all the details down below if you are interested. You can always just become a free member to just be in the know on the latest things over there. So let me show you my inspiration for the month of June. The theme for the month of June is called Watercolor Wonder. And I have been, dabbling and taking lessons in watercolor. Here's an example of one of mine right here. And so I thought it would be really fun to have my theme be focused kind of around watercolor flowers, birds, that sort of thing. So I loved these postcards that I found. They are watercolor images, and they are by Catherine Castle. And so these are definitely be kind of the main item that the goldenrod and tier, or the bluegrass and higher tiers, will receive. And then I just have so many other fun things from my stash: book pages and handkerchiefs, napkins, stickers. And so I will be designing my own stickers this month, and that will be part of the mail club for all of the tiers. And I am really excited. Some of these charms that I found are really fun. I'm excited to use those. And then this fabric. I love this fabric. I feel like it splashes of watercolor. So I have a number of different tiers that are available, so you can check out which one might be more suitable for what you're looking for. But I'm really excited. I have a lot of different ideas, so we'll see what all comes to fruition. I also have this, let me show you. I have this really large poster that this was part of a prize that I won from Paper Source. And so I thought this would be fun. I will never hang this on the wall. So I am hoping I'm brave enough to cut this up and have this be part of the mail club as well. I think they'll be gorgeous little journal cards or tags that we can use. So come along with me as I have a play on some of the different ideas I have in my head and see what comes to fruition. And my journal tier, I'm really stoked. The journal tier will have some of this fabric or this fabric incorporated in their journals, along with some watercolor images. So I am super excited about it. Just a quick little video. I wanted to share with you what I'll be hopping in on for June. And also I am going to be doing a craft fair on June 14th. So any locals here, you all come see me. I'll be also having some little golden books and some purse charms, bag charms, things like that, bookmarks, journals at the craft fair. So come by and say hi, and I'll share the details down below and in a post. All right, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.